What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. So I got two very good pieces of information to share with you today. First one is I spoke with Toyota yesterday about the next press vehicle I'm going to be getting, and I am happy to tell you that in February we will be getting a 2019 Toyota Tacoma Limited in Calvary Blue to test for a week. So I'm very excited for that. If you don't know this, the Limited is the most expensive trim on the Tacoma if you don't include the TRD Pro. It has leather interior, all the bells and whistles, so I look forward to testing it. I don't see a lot of Limiteds get tested on YouTube a lot. It's usually the TRD Pros or the TRD Off-Road. So I'm really excited to see what the top trim level, minus the TRD Pro, will hold for the Tacoma. Obviously, we're going to test out the seating position everybody always talks about, the transmission everybody always talks about, if it's a problem or not, and how comfortable the ride is after driving it for a week. If you guys want any specific videos on the 2019 Tacoma Limited, please let me know, and I will do them. So it's looking to be about mid to late February is when the Tacoma will get here. So start sending in your ideas now. All right, part two of this video, we finally got something for the channel that has been a long time coming. I don't know why it took me so long to get it, but we got ourselves a DeWalt high impact wrench, people. An impact wrench. So we're not gonna use the Air Tools or the 6-gallon compressor you guys have given me crap about for a long time. We finally got something that we can use to take off sway bars, install sway bars, install or take off anything really, exhaust systems, so we won't have any trouble getting this off. This is a high impact wrench. It is, if you were looking at it, it's the DeWalt XR DCF899B. Very excited to try this thing out. I want to thank the guys at VCG Construction. Check out their YouTube channel. Just search VCG Construction. Vince helped me with this. He walks around stores. Some of his videos, he does live streams. He walks around stores and finds all the deals he can. Well, on a live stream, I asked him to find me what I need for, you know, a tool for taking off all the stuff that I want to take off on the truck. And this is what he suggested. I am a DeWalt guy. I think he's more of a Milwaukee guy, so this is the one. I look forward to trying it out. So once again, thank you, VCG. I'm very, very happy to finally have this thing. And one more little thing before I let you guys go. This is a little bit of a mini rant, okay? Now, I'm not the type of person who likes to complain to companies about anything, all right? If I'm out to eat with the wife or whatever and the waitress isn't very good, you know what? She's probably having a bad day. I never send food back. I don't like to complain unless something is truly wrong or something is wrong more than once, all right? But one thing I can't stand are some delivery drivers, all right? And this morning I got this DeWalt impact wrench, okay? The guy pulls up in the morning, blasting music out of his truck. By far the whole block could hear this. I mean, no exaggeration, blasting music. He takes the impact wrench, which came in a box. This was the actual box it came in. There wasn't an outer shell or everything, which is normal. But he brings it up, and I just looked out the window enough, and he pretty much like just drops it onto my door. So it slammed the door, and he just dropped it. It wasn't a put the box down. It was just let it go. Boom. And he also put it up against the door, so I had to go out the back door and around to even get it. Now that is something that it's just not acceptable. Delivery drivers, come on. And I have some great delivery drivers too. I've never seen this guy before, but you could tell he didn't care at all. And it's just not right. You know, you spend all this money on this stuff. Now, worst case scenario, I open up this DeWalt tool right here and it's broken. Now, I can go to FedEx and say, hey, this is what I saw. And it's hearsay. You know, it's my word against the driver or whatever. But yeah, I find that really annoying. I wanted to know if you guys ever had a situation like that. I know when my Magnuson supercharger was getting delivered, I saw the truck pull up and I knew it was coming, so I went outside, and I feel like if I wasn't there, he would have just threw that thing. Like, he was like tumbling it out of the truck. I'm like, my man, it's an $8,000 part. Can we be easy? It says Magnuson all over it. I just think delivery drivers need to care a little bit more. And I understand a lot of these companies push speed. Go fast. Go, 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 go. But you can't have speed to the point where the products getting delivered to people who order them show up damaged. Like this box, it's pretty beat up. So we're going to see what happens. If I open that, I will be making a stink. But I wanted to just rant that out. I can't stand that. Let me know if you have any crazy stories with that. But other than that, have a great day. So to recap, 2019 Tacoma Limited in Calvary Blue will be coming our way mid to late February. And number 2, we finally got ourselves an impact wrench so we don't have to use air tools anymore. I hated that air tool. You have no idea. So Twitter and Instagram at Tundra234, Tundra234@gmail.com. You guys have a great day.